Hi, my name is Zalina. I represent Capital Markets Malaysia. We're an affiliate of the Securities Commission of Malaysia. Our role is to position the capital market internationally and domestically, and we also support SE's efforts in developing the market. As most people know, the private markets has steadfastly been growing in Malaysia, but we've had a lot of feedback from stakeholders on how it could be better. So one of the two things that have been mentioned is, one is they feel that investors are unable to tell their story. They're unable to engage investors and give that vision of what the growth story could be like. Companies themselves say that there's not sufficient risk capital onshore, and therefore it's hard to raise funding onshore, and therefore that's why they look for funding offshore. Now, how we are trying to support SE in this effort to sort of increase funding availability and ensure more successful fundraising in Malaysia is we've come up with the Elevate program. The Elevate program was launched on the 13th of July, and the first cohort will commence on the 15th of October. Now, what the Elevate program is done is it's structured for mid-tier companies. Mid-tier companies here are companies with an annual revenue size of 20 million and above. And what the program does is it helps the founders professionalize their business and sort of come up with better way of telling their story and engaging with investors. Now, who should do the Elevate program? We've identified 3 buckets of people who should participate in the program. One would be founders who have their children or the next generation who've joined the business, and collectively they want to re-engineer the business strategy, re-look at the marketing strategy, and look at new growth strategies. And this program helps you in terms of dynamic thinking, in terms of marketing new skills and stuff like that. The second bucket of companies, founders who have a growth strategy, they know what they want to do, but they don't know how to finance it. They don't know who to go and get financing from, and what is the kind of storyboard they should be sharing with their financiers in terms for the financiers and investors to believe in the company's growth. And finally, the last bucket is companies that have struggled to raise financing through the capital market, either through the public market, which is through an IPO or a bond or a sukuk issuance, or companies who have struggled to raise financing through private equity or venture capital, because they need to change their business operations, they need to professionalize the way their businesses are done, and also to identify the pitch, to figure out what the growth story is and how to sell it. So in a nutshell, what the program is, it's a 12-month program. It's broken up into training, it's broken up into boot camps and pitching sessions. So the training is spread over 6 months. It's to train you in 9 different courses. On average, you're talking about 3 classes a month. So that's a session, 1 session a week per month. The second session is your boot camp for pitching. So a lot of companies struggle because they don't know what to say. They don't know who should be pitching in their organization. Is it the CFO? Is it the founder? Is it the CFO? So what the bootcamp does is we help you identify the right team, and then we help you develop your pitch book, and we also help you and train you in terms of pitching. Another strong element of the program is we provide mentoring. So a lot of companies do well because they're able to learn from their industry peers in terms of how to grow their business. Another way that mentoring would be useful is they get one-on-one sessions with bankers, with consultants, in terms of how to value your business, how to engage with investors, what kind of financing mix you should be looking at. Is it debt or equity or a bit of both? What kind of value you should be looking for your company, so that when you're engaging with investors, you know what to expect. And lastly, and I think this is the most important element of the program, is the fact that we provide you pitching opportunities. So you have networking sessions, you have actual pitching platforms, and lastly, what we do is at the end of the program, we will have an online database or an online platform where whoever's gone through the course, their portfolio and their profile will be on the platform, and it will be accessible to every single registered PE and VC in Malaysia. It's a good program. We believe in it, and we feel that it'll make a big difference to mid-tier companies in Malaysia, and we would like to create greater awareness on the program. So we've given you a lot of information. If you require more details or a little bit more explanation on particular aspects of the program, please feel free to reach out to us by email or call us, and we'll be happy to facilitate.